Good morning, everyone. A quick video how to create amazing AI generated content using Sora and how to get the detailed prompt. So I'm going to use two tools. I'm going to use ChatGPT as well as I am going to use this particular Sora. So create a prompt to generate video about decoding data science community event in a in future tech in future tech summit with stalls and people in Dubai, Sofal, Madinah. So this is something that I have written Sofal, Madinah, Jumeirah. So I have written not something clear, but I have just written a basic prompt. And by the way, I have done this as well in very detailed manner, and I will show you as well the video in a couple of seconds. So this is something that I am taking off from here. I'm taking this here, going here and putting it back here. Spirit and innovation spirit. So I am putting this. It's 20 seconds, and if you can see the resolution, I can make it little like this 42p, some good quality, and I will just do generate. So what it is going to do is going to take this prompt and it is going to add in the queue. So it is taking this in the and preparing this till it is loading. I will open this video that I have created, somewhat similar. So can you see this? I have created this whole prompt. So this is a video that was generated for this event that was happened, uh, and the same thing you can also generate for this, which I'm showing you as well. So this new video is getting generated. So I generated this video which looks very well, you can see. So it has taken the UAE landscape, it is has taken the music, it has taken the prompt, it has taken people talking and putting everything together. So let us see. This is it is going, and once it is done we can look at it. So I created few videos using this type of prompt. So what is my message? That for this type of social media, if you want to create videos and you want to create content that is related to that video, so you can use this content as a filler when you're speaking in videos to make it more interesting and look better. So this is one video, this is the second video. This also looks amazing, right? You can see Sukal Madinat, it is talking, this whole conference is happening. So I actually used these videos while I was giving it editing a specific video that is there. So let us take this video is getting queued. If you can see, they are making it to try two samples of this video. The vibrant committee tech event at Sukal Madinat Dubai during a future tech summit. Decoding data science, networking, AI for everyone and details community. So let us just wait for a couple of seconds till it loads. So in couple of seconds, if you can see, decoding data science is here in Sukal Madinat. So it has taken the interiors of Sukal Madinat. It has written about decoding data science. So inshallah, one day we will be here at this particular phase. So it has actually created two frames of videos that are there. What you can also do is you can edit the prompt and you can mention here, if you can see, there is an option. So 9 by 16 is the mobile size. You can just do like this. So it is now going to make this in one specific thing. This is also nice. I can just save this as well, and it has taken this here. So let me just open this in a new tab. Dubai AI Festival, right click, uh, download option is here, if you can see. So this is Dubai Tech Festival. So this is, there are two videos here, huh? So this is one download option. Here you can see download option, download the video. You can download the video from here, and use it for your particular thing. So you can see download ready. Similarly, so they have created two videos. I think generally, so this is the first video, and it's very, it looks fine. It looks nice. It can be used. So this is a video, and also, as I mentioned you, if you want to focus on the size, you can also queue up here. So they are also doing this. So they are having some few versions of your video, and you can play around with this. So Sora gives you a free option to generate videos quickly. You can use this video, and like suppose now if you want to go to in video, you go to this particular thing, and what I tell people, you have to like in the option of putting the video, when you can edit this, and you can here in this space, suppose uh, in this space, just for example, I want to upload this media. It is uploading. It is being video. So it is going to take up to 4 seconds of this from this part. So let me I think I will take this looks relevant. Let me take this. This is good enough. Just for example, I will yes, if I click this replace, so this is looking nice, right? Now I apply, and then when I save changes, you, the first video will be this. So you can generate content from Sora according to your prompt, and then get it here and use it for your videos. So it looks nice as well, right? So this is something like, see this decoding science, it looks nice. See,
Want to see the magic behind AI's smartest tricks? Let's talk RAG. Imagine your brain has a library inside.
so this is the way I'm requesting people to use two tools together, because using generative content from here is expensive just for main video. Sora is one that you already have access to, you're already paying for one tool, so use the capability of that, and put it in other tools that are there. So this is something that I would request people.